Hey there everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I will show you how to create advanced Vlookup. Advanced Vlookup means if I put my serial number, the Vlookup process find out other column information for me. So let's start it. At first, select the other cell, then press select other cell, press equal Vlookup. Then I need to provide Vlookup value. Here is my Vlookup value. Then I need to select table array. Then I need to provide my column index number. I see that my column are 2, 3, 4, 5 number. So 2, 3, 4, 5 bracket close. Then comma 0 bracket close. Now I need to provide Ctrl Shift Enter. Now if I provide serial number 0, 1, I see that other column information here. If I list the serial number, then I need to go data validation list, then I provide the source, enter. Okay, now from drop down list I select serial number 2. I see that serial 2 and other column information here. Here is the way you are able to do Vlookup in Microsoft Excel. Thank you.